right? When since we cannot speak out against the way we feel without risk.
Looking like my last, yeah.
For me.
Box cover, this is Duttyberry and welcome to a brand new top 10 social media countdown. So let's get right into it.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama when you want, you fit tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, empower all the topics like a hymn name. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me out, what me not the week, yo, just tune in, zine.
Number 10, white rhino. My word, my sentence, my immediate clear. So, oh my gosh, it look like say the new trendy thing to get talked about in the space, in the dancehall space, is to actually go and erase your melanin. Now we know it is really not new, but people can't help but talk about it. It's either you go pop a Fanta and Moja and just switch up the type of music what you do, or you bleach your skin. It's the quick and immediate way to get the crowd to really react. And it look like said that is what Black Rhino is doing, taking a page out of the Gaza Boss book, and people seem to be talking about it, and once again he is now a trending topic.
We don't put them on practice, we put them on the real time.
Yeah.
See it?
So the DJ posted this picture with the caption, "May I live my life for me, not for the crowd. Me don't want nobody feel like them have the right to tell me what to do with myself. People bleach every what? People bleach every bee. You will be alright." And overface, and overface, and overface. I mean, right now you knew this is exactly what was the response was going to be like. You know you do it because of the crowd thing and the trending thing for kind of switch up your image, people talk about you. I only hope say you have a really bad song for drop right away, because one thing with Cartel, if you're gonna do the controversy, you have to have the hit song then back out for kind of give it, you know, an elevated push. So hopefully that is your entire plan. And yeah, welcome back to being a trending topic. But boy, the little name the Black Rhino now for people. Somebody has same name, Albino. Albino Rhino. Like, you see Twitter? Twitter is a hell of a place. Jesus Christ. But let me know, burritos, are you here for this look? Are you think say, I forgot to change your name right about now? Sound off below. Number 9, Siloni lock up. Me aki selfish. Alright, so, you know, Siloni boy, she just have a like a permanent spot in my heart. You might have known her from Miss Donna program, and recently, she did have her big birthday bash / her 9 night that I also covered on the social media countdown. But it looked like so the po them, the feds them actually caught up to her now. And you know, they did give her a little lock up, or some bitch, she served some little stint because she kept her party and disobeyed the curfew. No, this is what Siloni said when you know, the police them all are and CVM TV, you know, ask her for a little interview. Free.
Me Bellevue for me injection. Come back, there's a surprise party. Eh? Mr. Red Carpet. I'm about TV, Mr. Them sitting there. And something set up so pretty. We're gonna be here next year, put on clothes provide. People to make up my face. Shoes provide everything. You wanna take it?
Boy, I don't know Siloni mouth will get her out of any box with problem. That girl is just so witty. No, madness aside, that girl she clever bad. But this is actually what she said prior to having her party.
I dare you make it that day. I say with the blue lights every night we don't back up. And now we have to beat the system.
I mean, is that allowed?
Well, anyway, Siloni, I mean, your party go on, it did go on good, people they come out and support you, you know, you disobey the curfew, but I don't know Siloni is like, I don't know, like one like a soft spot I always and I'm at fair. But burritos, what do you have to say about Siloni's excuse? You wanna give her a blind or not? Sound off in the comments. Number 8, New Spice Girls. Me pop off. Oh my gosh, sugar and spice and everything nice. It look like say the queen of dancehall. Spice now has a new team. Is our new team Spice. This girl is look like so she put together. It's like this new ensemble, and now it is Jada Kingdom, Spice, and Chanel Moore. You know, so Chanel Moore recently, you know, she jumped into the space and she have her, you know, her hit song them gal they are yama bella. Yeah. Alright, I can't do Chanel. You done good to me, and he done good for you, and me done good for you. Yeah. I know Jada Kingdom. Oh, my fruit, a banana. You know I'm heavy, yeah. Cool, cool it down, Mr. Cool it down, Mr. Cool it down, in a queen and a paradise, my tick tack, the tom like the blumpling. Yes, so the trio, they were performing in Texas recently, and boy, oh boy, you know, COVID measures and all of these things, but over there, so in the great United States, they don't really care. They don't look at things and collect little money, and you know, I do, right now, I have nothing to say because at the end of the day, they're my artists, but you know, sometimes they look at Brook Station, can't reach them, and them just love what they want to do, so, me not like the bunch of crowd, but hey. And so, I like to see that all three of them were like vibing together and seemingly like enjoying each other's company. I'm just hope them keep the harmony because you know the little situation they stay with woman and dancehall artists in general, you know, like you see today and then tomorrow morning. So I just hope that the powers will be just kind of keep them loving and keeping everything going alright because I don't want them like a black empress here. I don't want a drama right there. So, Berrydos, are you here for these three being friends and being cool with each other? You love to see it, sound off below.
Yeah, Jackson.
Number 7, vaccines reach. Oh my God! So finally, the day is here. Jamaica can now celebrate. So we finally get some of the vaccines them to the island. So some of us can, you know, start get treated and hopefully we can return to some sort of normal soon. So it has now been a full 365 days since Jamaica, you know, received this first COVID case, and it looked like the universities are working a particular way to celebrate the anniversary by just kind of giving the country, you know, them first set of vaccinations. And it started off, I think this lady was the first woman to actually get vaccinated. Followed by there were several, you know, former prime ministers that were part of the process as well.
The wonderful Mrs. Golden and her Warsaw.
Another public figure in the morning.
And this is the AstraZeneca vaccine. Now, some little rumors and things that circulate both say, yo, it actually, you know, a lot of persons who were vaccinated with AstraZeneca, you know, had some reported cases of a lot of blood clotting. So same time, I like, Jesus, me say that's why I don't want to take the first shot. I don't want to be the first round. I want to wait until a little bit later. But the ministry has come out and basically said that, you know, there's not really substantial them little claims there, and it is pretty much safe for the public. So I want to hear from you, Berrydos. Will you take the vaccine? Are you going to be one of the persons who, you know, will line up proudly and be vaccinated, or are you actually still very much fearful of what might be in it? Sound off below. Number 6, serving vibes. Berrydos want to know the little strips when they got the hotel them. Some of them people there, the entertainment coordinators, the waitress them, the hostess them, they are just like full of life. It's like everybody who work at hotel, you know, used to have a contract with Disney Channel and Nickelodeon because them have like, them can't have one talent. It's like, all if them are the person who end up on a dash for the rubbish, them African sing, dance and act. It's like, I just in the rule book. Once a day hotel, you can't have one bleggy talent. You African just like ambidextrous with the abilities, you know. And so this seems as if, you know, it is a reflection of that entire idea. When this server now was trying to give this woman a little glass of wine, a little shot, a little drinks. I can't remember my name for bag juice right now. But look at the hyper excitement to the brother do just to bring it to her. Pray.
Don't touch his ass yet. Just hold on. That was awesome.
No, honestly, what all of that for? We're really all of that for. Like, but anyway, it's shell. Number 5, dogs fly. Marine tin, G's Pim. Like Berrydos, sometimes when I hear them like a story, I have to just pause, smile, and just say, wow, this is the world that we live in. So I saw this this story, I think it was on Sparks page, our Tropics page, and it did a talk about that some mongrel dogs like end up go travel Ghana, Canada. No, I was just like, what do you mean? Until I saw this video.
Set. Second set. Just about to leave. This is the plane that they're going on. can't believe this is happening. I can't believe this is happening. Oh my god, I'm gonna have a wobble.
Okay, well, wow, the dogs have a visa before. Well, probably like this is true. But not like some always supposed to bad mind. So it says that Jamaican brown terriers, otherwise called mongrels, were sent to Canada to be adopted today under the Montego Bay Animal Haven program. No, this look like it's a program that has been going on for a few years, for a while now. And so they even did a follow-up and said that Whisper, the Jamaican rescue dog, had previously, you know, migrated to the United States and now resides in Connecticut. And it show one like a picture with Whisper when in the inner Jamaica, how the people them find him in a very, very sad situation. Look like the boy did get bruised up, injured and all of these things. And now Whisper is living in Connecticut and look like him a flourish like him is a part of Twilight. He's just enjoying that very white ambience all around him. Like, no. Look how Whisper enjoy life. Look how Whisper thrive. Jesus, beam. He man like the foreign color.
Nice. But somebody only dead 2 times. I'm not feeling no way about it.
No, boy, I think I've heard about this program before. I think it's a pretty cool initiative. It's just very interesting. Can you imagine if the dog them cannot talk and the dog them be like, boy, how much years I get? Boy, I know it's a 10-year visa I get. How much I get? Boy, it's a 1 entry, you know.
Hide the money, y'all. There's poor people around.
And burritos, if you're watching, let me know if no one actually bad man the dog them forgot find before uno. Sound off below, talk from out and a clean out. Number 4, Buju speaks. Me champion, Jesus, Beam. No, oh my God, Buju Banton, like, you know Buju Banton from him come out of jail, from him open feed mouth. I mean, he was talking to the Jamaican government and basically saying some things. Me honestly, not really sure what him really specifically did I say, but it looked like so whole heap of things kind of grieved the artist and me not have an issue with him sounding off, cause better out than him. But can somebody actually tell me what was he saying?
So much good yam shit. We're supposed to go up there and line up and eat it. Hold on, people. Hold on. Put on your thinking caps. And all the way are fooling. Not because you go you when you go to some place make you smarter than we know. No guy can't tell you how to live. I'm not coming with no bag of bull like you say all the way are fool. Remember, are we voting in? We're supposed to run the country for we. Don't go like you don't want to switch it on way. Can't build switch it on Jamaican people, you know. And not the people them thinking that they work for politicians. No! Politicians work for the country as fiduciaries of this great corporation to ensure that they do the job of the office that they are elected to do. Do not use the office of the Prime Minister or the office of whichever politician it is to pressure the citizens. You are creating tyranny. You are tyrannical. And you are thieves too. Because enough money I get along with Jamaican people now. We think the 10,000 can feed Jamaican people and lock up the whole island. Everybody locked down on the house and nobody don't want time.
Okay, I mean, yeah, Bojo, yeah, I mean, sound off for true. You know, the government need to be clear, I guess, and the system. And me just want somebody articulate it a little bit because I know him did say something, but it just did seem very, you know, like somebody just want like ring out and just put on the line and sun out a little bit and iron so I can fully get the whole entire thing when the whole message kind of crease out, but the message not really crease out in a little thing there, but hopefully one of them can crease out for me so I can comprehend it. Number 3, Shenseea sprint. No, Shenseea, Jesus Christ, what can you not do? Like, honestly, Shenseea just need to go on comedian right about now. So, the dancehall princess did a TikTok video now where basically it's supposed to show that you can move in heels. And you know, you're at different levels and different stages. And this is Shenseea's take on this viral trend. No, Shenseea, I'm over you. I'm completely over you, Shenseea. Burritos, let me know if you think you could try something like this and what you thought of this challenge. Sound off. Number 2, Poppy versus Jackier. No, Lord of mercy. I do not know where to even start with this story. Look how quick me I try to run through the countdown. This story, no, Lord of mercy. So, alright, so apparently word on the street when we read it here, because this don't really sound 200% concrete, is that, you know, Jackier longing for my baby to love me more. Yeah, the Jackier now apparently must they online now book up one nice like a sexy African girl or wherever she come from, girl nice and beer thing. So Jackier was just like, come on down to Jamaica, man, let me introduce you to some, you know, wood and some yam. And the girl was just like, alright, Jackie, I can come down and see you because right about now, I have nothing to do. I can left all the way from Africa and come look by you because you name Jackie, I am very much single. So the girl come to Jamaica now, and Jackie be like, you know, so we just have one bong said, yeah, everything is so nice with you around me. Can you open your legs and let me see? And the girl was just like, I'm not really sure about that, I'm not really depend on them like a summer here, but just come down here for just kind of see Jamaica and live my little life and take 2 pictures of your yard because so I can get whatever likes on Instagram. But all of them like something here I want to do. I'm not really in the mood right now, let me take a couple pictures for Instagram. And apparently Jackie and the girl did have some sort of, you know, they butt heads. And I don't know what it go on there, so and apparently the homegirl now, Hattie, she got to take up her phone now and got call Popcaan. Jesus Christ, so why that gonna bust up in the microwave now? Jackie didn't be like, yo, what is it to be? So same time now, Popcaan now come out of the microwave now, step to Jackie's yard, and Jackie and Popcaan was just like the PDD and the other brother meme. Then two Popcaan and Jackie a lot of mercy. So same time now, Jackie must have take up machete off of Popcaan, and the two of them have some sort of confrontation, and the girl end up leaving with Popcaan because right there and then that was the definition of hashtag Papi is the only man show.
The life is stop, say him a go chop, say him a go shoot, say him a go shot Popcaan and the only man she want.
And Jackie was left singing, you'll never find no one in this lifetime to love you like I do. So that at the story Berry does like, no, this not confirmed, but it just a circulate about the place and it seemed, I mean, it just seemed too crazy to be true, but at Jamaica, I hope it's not really true because, you know, Jackie already did enough drama as it relates to bringing down woman from foreign. So him just need to just stay clear and just make Annie Palmer be him friend right now and cool out because the little bad person, I like it just too much now. Give some little time, man. Jesus, peep. But readers, what enough to say about this? Like, when you hear the story too, I don't really don't want to believe it like me. Sound off.
And ask them to start to sing what I crash was attack. You don't know already they are tuned into social media countdown. You know the countdown go them hours here. So me roll.
And number 1 goes to Deep Meditation song. Woo! My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay, my biblioteca. So number 1 goes to this song by this artist right now.
When you see me, I so looking like my last, yeah. Man, I last me just a looking at my thoughts and free some things where people don't mean out the past. Now act like some are perfect, everybody have them flaws. Long before that COVID thing, then enough of them I wear a mask, yeah. Me watch them keenly as them try go round the boss, yeah. Loyalty come with the cost, you know, for ask, you know, what love in me heart. But anytime your heart too big, my lord, them will take you for a fool, and this is why me no like humans. This is why me no like humans, no. And me can't too trust no girl when me remember what she do, man. This is why me no like humans.
With a really, really bad song like the song just completely just like, honestly, right now, please comment down below because I know the artist name, like, so yo, me just make the song be number 1. So at the time when this video was being taped, I didn't have the full information about the artist, but now I can tell you that the song is called Humans and that the artist is called Nation Boss. Now the visuals for the song has premiered probably today, and so I hope that you guys can check it out and enjoy it and follow him on his social media.
Anytime your heart too big, my lad, them we take you for a fool, and this is why me no like humans. This is why me no like humans, no.
And it just boy oh boy, like honestly, it's the same way I'm gonna do it like Chronicle when him have the little song there. But him rather they on their hillside. And them type of song I think they needed in this pandemic for kind of give you a little strength, kind of give you a little wisdom, give you a little guidance, a little motivation, just a little bit of clarity. Because that is what music's supposed to do. It's supposed to really elevate you, up on a spiritual level. And this song here, it speak to Wally Power, it speak to me, and I'm sure it speak to you.
I beg the Father protect me from enemies.
Song Shell, and hopefully the music video and the single can officially release and these things, because my things set up on good online and a lot of people might actually gravitate to this artist and the single if it, you know, if a video drop quick and fast like tomorrow. Well, that is it, my readers. We've come to the end of this social media top 10 countdown. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please to hit the thumbs up button, as well as to turn on your post notification. Please to leave a comment down below. Do not forget to share the video with your friends and your family, as well as to subscribe if you are new to the channel. Please to subscribe. Thanks, we're at 250,000 subscribers and we're heading to 300,000 soon, so please to subscribe. If you want to follow me on my social media, it is at TheDuttyBerryShow on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, Snapchat, all over, as well as if you want to advertise within the social media countdown, please, me I tell you right now, I'm about for do another sale, another promo sale, so please send me an email to bookings.duttyberryshow@gmail.com, quick and fast, okay? Take care until next time.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama what you want, you fit tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like a hymn name. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me, I what happening at the week, yo, just tune in, scene.